This is a 1953 Royal Quiet Deluxe typewriter with beautiful green keys, and it is in near mint condition. It has been disassembled, cleaned, serviced, adjusted, and reassembled with a new ribbon installed. It has been thoroughly tested and it is ready for use. Those beautiful green keys. Everything works as it should. There's a new ribbon. The serial number is RA2684787. It has the magic margin feature on both the left and right. And I will get some paper in it and show you how it types. It also types in red. Everything works as it should, and it types very nicely. This typewriter also comes with its original case. It's kind of a tweed, I guess you'd call it. It shows a little wear, but it is clean and solid. The handle and the latch are good. It is scuffed up some, but it's still solid. I also have a reprinted user's manual. It's pretty helpful if you're not real familiar with these. That's for the 1953 Royal Quiet Deluxe.